guys, I didn't see you there. Welcome back to my channel. Just snuck up on me. Perfect time for you to tune in today because your girl is going to be showing you guys how to do the maximum hydration method, okay? Click this video because your hair is going through a hard time. It's dry, it's crunchy. You seem to struggle retaining moisture throughout the days, throughout the weeks, and you're just fed up with it. Girl, you was not the only one because as you can see, my hair is not looking up to par. It's looking a little dry. It's looking like it needs a little bit of assistance. Hence why I'm doing this video. I am super duper lazy when it comes to my hair. I don't know if you're lazy. I don't have time to do this, that, and the third. I damn sure don't have time to be doing deep conditions every day, every other day. I like to do things that are quick and easy and fast. That's pretty much it. So as you can tell, my edges have been looking a little crunchy. The back is dry. It looks like it's crunchy. It's just not it, y'all. Look how dry my hair looks. This is a mess. So it has no life to it. It looks burnt. And I haven't put any heat on my hair. But that goes to show you I have been neglecting my hair. I'm sure you've been neglecting your hair. And we're trying to figure out a way to change the game real quick. Maximum hydration process is a 5-step process that is great for boosting and restoring moisture back into your hair. It seems like a lot when I say 5 different steps, but it's worth it. I've seen great results. I've watched videos and I've tried it in the past and I've got great results. Now, technically, you're supposed to do this every day for about a week so you can get that maximum hydration, and it'll really help to open your cuticles and really bring that moisture. But if we're being realistic here, nobody's really gonna have time to do that every day. So I think that every other week would be sufficient. So that's what we're gonna focus on for today. We're not gonna pile too much on ourselves because then we're just not gonna wanna do the whole process and we're just gonna say F it. That's the type of time I'm on. So maximum hydration method is great for low porosity hair. It's also great for, you know, thicker, coarser hair, you know, for 4A, 4B, 4C. I'm kind of in the category of 3C, 4A. I don't really know. Listen, my hair is curly, it's kinky, it's thick, and I love it. I embrace it. So if you're struggling with retaining moisture, you don't like how your hair feels, even after wash day, even after you deep condition, you're still not feeling like your hair has enough shine, enough moisture, it gets dry after the next day, even after using certain products, then we're gonna do this video today. We're gonna do step by step, and we're gonna bring some moisture back into our hair so that we can have long lasting moisture and our hair won't look like a Brillo pad. And we won't feel like we put product in our hair and somebody's like, did you do your hair? The maximum hydration is key to growing hair, key to preventing breakage, key to healthy strands. Our hair cannot thrive if it's thirsty. Our body can't even thrive if it's thirsty. What happens when we get dehydrated? Our ass is gonna wind up on the floor. Same thing goes for your hair. If it's dry and it's thirsty, it's gonna start to fall out and we got a bigger problem. So it's time to stop being lazy, get up off our behinds and continue and be consistent with this regimen so that we can get the moisture that our hair needs. So right now, we're gonna get all ingredients. We're gonna do what we gotta do. Before we do that, make sure you like, comment, subscribe to this video. Don't forget to click your bell so you never miss when your girl uploads new videos. And let's do what we gotta do. So I'm going to start off with Bragg's Organic Unfiltered Apple Cider Vinegar. I don't really measure, but I marked off my spray bottle to the halfway point, and the rest I'll use with some bottled water. This will be used as the first step to clarify your hair. So next I'll be using the Indian Healing Clay along with apple cider vinegar as well as extra virgin olive oil. I don't really measure this. Again, it just all depends on how long your hair is. You also want to make sure that you're using a plastic container when doing this and stay away from any metal utensils when mixing because metal will cause the clay to become less effective or lose its magnetic charge. It's best to use plastic or even better wooden or bamboo. So here I just wanted to show you guys how crusty my hair looks. So I'm going to go under that water and really saturate my hair. Being that I have low porosity hair, I have a hard time getting products in. As you can see, the water just sits on top of my hair, and many really don't understand the importance of water with natural hair. Being that natural hair is dry, it needs some type of moisture every day. I don't care if you just spritz it on your hair throughout the day. Do not forget to use water, water, water. Water is a basic moisturizing agent for your hair. So now I'm going in with step 1, which is going to be clarifying my hair using apple cider vinegar. And let me just warn you guys, it does not smell good, but it does its job. Apple cider vinegar contains nutrients, vitamins B, C, and potassium, which are beneficial for your hair. Apple cider vinegar clarifies and exfoliates your scalp, removing dead skin as well as buildup product that blocks the pores on your scalp. It also balances your hair's pH level, stimulates growth, and keeps natural curls well defined and bouncy. After I fully saturate it, I'm going to give my scalp a nice little scrub, and then I'm going to go ahead and rinse it out with warm water. And the good thing about apple cider vinegar is once you fully rinse it out, the smell totally diminishes, so you don't have to worry about your hair having that funky smell. My hair looks amazing already. Next step, I'll be using my Cold Wash by As I Am. This is one of my favorites. Cold washing your hair has so many benefits. It helps to alleviate dandruff. It's a gentler cleanser process, therefore it's less irritating and drying on the scalp. It decreases shedding, breakage, It just adds that extra layer of moisture into the mix during your wash day or whenever you just feel like your hair needs a little bit more moisture. And that's the whole goal, putting more moisture back into our hair. I love the smell. It always gives me great amounts of slip. And I always focus from my roots to my ends, making sure that my hair is fully coated when applying the co-wash. Being that I get such a great amount of slip, I'm easily able to finger detangle my hair without using any tools. And that definitely makes my process much easier. All right, y'all, so now we're going back underneath the water again. I just want to make sure that I'm rinsing everything out. Again, I'm going in with lukewarm water, and my hair already just feels so smooth and silky, shiny. My curls are defined. It feels amazing already. I just love the definition I get. So next, I'm going to go in with the bentonite clay mask, and this is the key. This right here is the GOAT, y'all. Bentonite clay contains a mixture of natural minerals that are beneficial for your hair and can encourage hair growth. It moisturizes, y'all, like moisturizes, conditions, softens, and reduces frizz. Bentonite clay encourages curl definition and shine. So whenever I use this, I make sure to really get this onto my hair. I'm focusing on every part of my hair, making sure that I'm focusing on the ends, which are the oldest and driest part of our hair. Just putting it all over. Do not be afraid. This gives me relaxer day vibes, just putting this on my hair. I don't know if you guys know about that, but if you know, you know. Listen, we're not wasting none of this. We're going to get every crack and crevice that there is to make sure that our hair is coated with this bentonite clay. And it's also great for your skin. So if you happen to get some on your face, don't be afraid. It's really a good cleanser. Apple cider vinegar is great for the skin as well as a clay mask. So you can put some on your face too while you're doing this. Another thing that I want to just say is that it does get hard on your hair, so you do want to work fast. So don't be alarmed if you feel like your hair is stiff and, you know, it's like, oh my God, my hair is hard. It's supposed to do that. Let it harden some and just let it sit for a couple of minutes. I'm going to do my business wash up and then I'll come back and rinse it out. So it's been about 15-20 minutes and now your girl is about to go under the water again. We're going to really rinse this out. This time I'm going to be using cool water to make sure that I'm closing and sealing my cuticles. My hair feels amazing. The shine is just breathtaking. You guys see it looks amazing. My hair is so soft. It's not dry. It just looks so shiny. My curls are popping, y'all. Can we just take a second to appreciate how these curls is popping with no product? This stuff really brings back moisture to your hair. I mean, it's amazing what a difference your hair can make by just putting a little bit of moisture back into it. My curls are just, they look overall just so healthy. They don't look dry. They don't look dehydrated. It just looks really, really healthy, shiny. I just can't get over the shine. I mean, my hair was looking like a Brillo pad a few minutes ago. This stuff is the truth, you guys. I'm telling you. So now I'm going to go on my styler. I'm going to be using Kinky Curly Knot today. This is one of my favorite leave-ins. This is a great conditioner and detangler designed to smooth the cuticle and remove knots, snarls, and tangles from wavy, curly, and kinky textured hair. It can be used as a regular rinse-out conditioner for wavy hair or as a leave-in for thicker, curlier hair. I love how it makes my hair feel. Again, it's thick and it gives me great definition and it goes on so smooth as I apply it to my hair. Be sure to always start from your root down to the ends and start off using small sections. That way you're easily able to distribute the product evenly on your strands. So now I'm going to be going in with extra virgin olive oil. As you can tell, I'm be doing the LOC method, which is a leave-in oil or cream. And this is really good for holding moisture into your hair for longer. Moisturized hair leads to less breakage because the hair is more pliable for manipulation, which in return also means less shedding. Lastly, I'll be using the Kinky Curly Curling Custard. I love this because it helps to define and elongate your curls, which really helps with the shrinkage. I know you guys know we hate shrinkage. The Curling Custard also brings out your natural curls or your wave pattern. It's really it's natural. It has a great smell and the slip is amazing. Look how hydrated and defined my curls look. I love it. It just feels really nice. It goes on smooth, silky. So I'm just gonna repeat this until I've completed my entire head. Okay, so now that my hair is done, we just have to wait for it to dry, but I just wanted to show you guys like the final look of this maximum hydration method. Do you guys believe me? Are you team maximum hydration yet? If you have not jumped on this bandwagon, I don't know what you're waiting for, sis, but you guys can see how dry my hair looked before I started this and how my hair just looked super duper healthy. The bounce, the shine, everything about my hair right now is just, I'm just in awe right now. My hair is so hydrated and I really needed this severely. So this is definitely a game changer. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, like, comment, subscribe. Let me know down below if you tried it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Let's see you in my next one.